Hi there, good morning. I just thought on this quite sunny day, which has been unusual for us here, I would give you a little update on what's happening with my vegetable growing. Now, we have had the wettest May on record. Yesterday we had a thunderstorm with hail. We had hail the day before. It's rained pretty much solidly for the entire time. It's been really cold, dropping to temperatures of like 1 or 2 degrees in the evening. So where I thought I would be and where I actually am are two completely different things. But anyway, I thought I'd just give you an update of where we've got to in my growing stages. So I'm just going to turn the camera around and then we'll crack on. So currently in the greenhouse, and as you can see, my cucumber has not really done very much at all, but the tomatoes in the greenhouse are starting to they're starting to get a little bit bigger, bearing in mind I grew these from seed. That one, if you can see, has actually got a couple of flowers on it. This is the squash plant. Again, it's not massive, but hopefully that will do something. And most excitingly of all, this is the chickpeas. Now you can see, I think if I get close enough, that I've got a cup like this here, this little leaf. I'm hoping this is going to become some sort of pod, and if you look, there are sort of clusters. If I can get round to that, there we go, let's focus that. See, like little clusters of things. So I'm hoping that they're all going to become chickpea pods, and obviously I'll definitely show you what they look like when they're done, because having never grown these before, I've got no idea how they're going to turn out. Then I've just got some peppers. Never do very well with peppers. This is a celery herb, so this is coming along nicely. You just cut and come again this. And I've got some basil in there, and then I'm having to go at microgreens. As you can see, they've not done an awful lot at the moment, but I'm keeping going with those. And then this is a chilli in here. Okay, so moving outside, I've got some spring onions growing there. Got some lettuces starting to come up there, with a bit of celery here. Celery there. Then I'm quite pleased with my strawberry bed. I've got quite a few flowers. Last year I only had 3 strawberries and the birds got them, so this year I've put some netting across the top, so hopefully that'll keep them nice and covered. Then I've got some onions and garlic in this bed, and alongside it, if you can see the little seedlings, is carrots. So that's looking good. I've also got some radishes, so nice radish. So they're looking good. And then I've got some carrots in here, but they're not ready to pull up yet. And these are shallots in here. So I've got some outdoor tomatoes, which don't appear to be doing as well, obviously because it's been so cold. This one's probably the best. And I've planted some borage in there as well, which hopefully will keep the pests away. So we'll see how they get on. So my herb bed seems to be doing quite nicely. There you go. Lots of herbs. That's rocket down there, and then there's some mint there. So this I'm pleased with. And I've got some white radishes in here, but they're not ready yet. These are my broad beans here. And as you can see, I've got lots of lovely flowers on them. They're really pretty. Thankfully, at the moment, we've got no pests on here. So I'm quite pleased with how these have come on. So there you go, there's a quick update on how I'm getting on with my vegetable growing so far this year. It's been a lot slower than I thought it was going to be, but there we go, can't help what the weather's going to do, just got to keep motoring on. So I'm looking forward to being able to actually cook something with the vegetables I'm producing, but I think it's going to be a few months yet. Alright, I'll see you soon. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you want to know when the next video is coming out, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Take care, bye.